Hi, I'm Jessica Webb for Panasonic. Time for a quick culinary lesson. Rice. Easy to cook, hard to cook well. Lose track of it and it boils over, or burns, or sticks to the pot. One solution, the Panasonic DF101 rice cooker. Has a built-in microprocessor that will do the cooking for you accurately every time, and adjust cooking time and temperature with one touch. Press here for brown rice or here for white. When it's done, the DF101 turns the heat low to keep the food warm. Result, great rice every time. But if you want something else with dinner, like soup or steamed vegetables, well, in that case, you'll need the DF101 Panasonic rice cooker. It's also a steamer. Load it with veggies, pour in water, and press here. Same thing for soup or oatmeal. And voila, fast, healthy meals at the touch of a button. I'm Jessica Webb for Panasonic.